nag-issue na po ng deportation order against Vitalist Lovevetsky, ang Board of Commissioners. Nakalagay po doon sa ating deportation order na ang pag-deport sa kanya ay subject to clearances ng NBI at saka yung courts kung saan siya nagkaroon ng kaso. Yung mga kaso po niya sa Taguig, RTC at NTC ay na-resolve na rin and being served na rin po yung penalty niya doon. Kaya Makati po ay pwede na rin po siyang i-deport soon. Nagko-coordinate na rin po kami sa pag-deport ng lugar na yung bansa niya which is sa Russia.
Ito po let this be a reminder to all our visitors here in the Philippines that we always welcome tourists and visitors. We treat them with respect, we accept them, and we expect them to follow the same rules as we follow the same rules when we travel. We have no ill feelings against Vitaly. He has served his time and he has shown his remorse, and he is now a free man when he goes back to Russia.